Okay, we're gonna do the short loin section. So flank has already been removed. You can see the tenderloin in here and the New Yorks, which will be on here. So we're gonna be cutting T-bones out of this short loin. So our mark is gonna be right on where this turns. I'm gonna cut into that first to make my mark. And then from that mark, going straight across to be under the hip. And then I'll cut that straight across right there. So that'll leave me a nice clean surface. And then we'll cut T-bone steaks out of this. So you can square it up along the lip first. So this is where the fillet is, and this is where the New York is. So square up the face on there. We'll trim out some of this kidney fat. Start, set our gauge at 1 inch. So these first 4 cuts off of the loin end, these are all porterhouses. So on a porterhouse steak, this fillet piece is about 2 inches across. So as we cut down, you can see these that fillet start to taper down. So a porterhouse is a T-bone, but not every T-bone is a porterhouse. So now we can get into our regular T-bone sections. There we go. Okay, so there's all of our T-bones out of that short loin section. So when we cut the short loin off the carcass that way, it'll leave the tenderloin head. So instead of taking the tenderloin off whole, it just leaves this tenderloin head. So then I'll make my cut to separate the rest of that tenderloin. Of the hip. So there's the tenderloin head piece.